Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter issues. To know how to find a solution about Twitter issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.